Welcome to Campus Way, our new digital mapping app for Sheridan College. In this video, I'll take you on a complete walkthrough of the app so you can see how to download it, explore the map, plan your routes, and discover every corner of campus. Let's begin by launching the app. After the splash screen, you'll see a welcome page asking for location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions. These settings will power turn-by-turn directions and real-time updates once that feature goes live. While Live Blue Dot navigation isn't active yet, we recommend tapping Allow so everything is ready the moment it launches. In the meantime, you can still find your way around by creating your own itinerary, which we'll cover later in this video. Once permissions are set, you'll arrive at the property listing screen. This is where all Sheridan campuses appear. Before you can explore a campus, you'll need to download the property. Tap the Download Property button to start. A progress bar will show the download, and a small notification confirms when it's ready. After downloading, tap Next to open the property home screen. This is your main dashboard. At the top, you'll notice floating category buttons that you can swipe left or right. Categories include classrooms, labs, lecture halls, meeting rooms, cafes, parking, and more. Think of these as shortcuts to the most popular spots on campus. Let's look at an example. I'll tap the classrooms. Now, we see a full list of classrooms across all floors and buildings. Each entry shows the room name and key details. Tap View on any classroom to highlight it on the map, where you'll also see opening and closing hours. Buildings can be explored the same way. Use the horizontal building list to scroll or expand for a vertical list of all buildings. Tap any building to highlight it on the map and view operational details, where you can pinch to zoom and switch between floor levels. As you zoom in, more details appear, including individual rooms and points of interest. The search bar lets you find anything instantly: classrooms, cafes, even specific categories. Filters allow you to narrow results by category, sort alphabetically, or show only certain building types. For example, you can filter for cafes and classrooms at the same time and see matching locations. Planning multiple stops, Campus Way lets you create a custom itinerary. Tap Add to Itinerary to select your first stop, then tap Add Destination to add up to 8 total destinations. Choose a start location, and the app will generate a route. You can follow the order you added or tap Shortest Route to let the app rearrange stops for the fastest path. Next, choose your route preferences: stairs, elevators, or escalators. This is especially helpful for accessibility. Tap Preview to see a full step-by-step route with distance and estimated travel time. Each segment is displayed on the map with clear icons. A walking person marks your start, and a green flag marks your destination. You can even save routes for future use so you don't have to rebuild them every time. Campus Way also lets you create tags to mark custom locations, like a favorite parking spot, a study nook, or meeting point. Give your tag a name, choose a category such as parking or a meeting point, and save it. You can edit or delete tags anytime. For frequently visited places, tap the heart icon to add them to your favorites list for one-touch access. Inside the settings menu, you can personalize the app. Switch between light and dark themes, choose meters or feet for distance, and pick 12 or 24 time format. You can also set a default route preference, like elevators only, so the app remembers your choice every time you navigate. If you'd like to explore a different Sheridan campus, open the menu by tapping the 3 lines at the bottom of the screen and select Choose Property. This takes you back to the property listings, where you can download another campus and start exploring its maps. And that's the full tour of Campus Way, Sheridan College's digital mapping app. With easy search, detailed maps, custom tags, and smart routing, getting around campus has never been simpler. Download Campus Way today and explore Sheridan with confidence. No more wandering the halls or showing up late to class. Let Campus Way guide you, because getting lost isn't part of the curriculum.